You're grown up, and that ship has sailed.
Athena has a bird.
Yeah.
She is growling. Athena. Athena, you are so mean.
Right. Oh, yeah.
She is such a bitch. She will not give it back.
You know, Patty,
She's just gonna hold it and not give it to me. I tried to take it away, but she growls really bad. Athena, I'm gonna try to get some paper towels right now and try again. But it's not gonna work. Oh, she's running away. She is so, yep, she's just gonna, yep, here we go. Athena. I hope you can freaking hear this. Athena, give that to me. Athena! Athena! Do you see this? Athena! Athena! I've been chasing her around for 5 minutes. Give it to me. Ow! You fucking bitch. Alright, oh. She stole it from Xena. Xena caught it because she likes birds. Xena. And then Athena took it away from her. And she's just gonna chomp on it. Xena wants it back.
Alright.
Yeah, she's just gonna fucking... Athena!
Yeah, we'll see ya. Bye-bye.
Eric?
Yeah?
Come in here. I have been dealing with this for the past 5 minutes. I heard a hiss. Xena got a bird. Athena came and stole it from her.
Oh no!
Yep, and I've been videotaping it, and she will not give it up, and she is growling like a fucker, and Xena was just staring at her like, you bitch.
Poor Xena.
She just came up, stole it, and then Xena hissed at her. And she's just been looking at Athena, and she's been hissing. Little bird, she's oh yeah. She's gonna
get this on recording.
I am. She's been really hurting me. I'm your mama. I am your mama. How could you do this to me? Take it outside. You want to grab her and look, go outside.
Go.
Jesus Christ.
All right. Xena went in the box.